section, like, you know. Okay, are you getting your hair braided? Cause you can probably like double twist or something. I need to know before I do your liner. There's two ways I can do it. How you gonna do it? You comb the hair down on top, and then when you braid it, you can still have that section, so it's not pulling from here. Yeah. That's what you want to do?
Alright, YouTube, so I'm pretty sure you guys already know who this is, and if you don't, this is Yo Fonz. Alright, this is another YouTuber, barber, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so I was in Florida and I wasn't supposed to cut his hair. Late Phase was actually supposed to cut his hair, but it was last minute, and my mom let me cut his hair before I left. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into this cut. I'm actually gonna make it a tutorial. I was gonna turn it into something else, but yeah, I don't have enough time to do that. But yeah, so basically I did my bald guideline. I used my shaver to clean up that the bald area. Then I came back with the liner just to clean up right under that bald guideline. Then I came with my lever open, and now I'm using my lever closed with a different clipper to blend that first area in. I'm going to do the same thing with the beard. So yeah, guys, it was kind of weird, like cutting at Fine Station, like being in Florida. The setup was different, like everything was different to me. So I'm like, I was kind of uncomfortable at first. I did eventually adjust, but it was weird. Like it was totally different. Like when I went home, the camera would never be on my shoulder. Like it was just weird because it was hard to get the angles and stuff like that. It's different, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. But right now I'm debulking with the two open, and then I did the two closed right under that with the taper and into the beard. So right now I'm doing my signature, you know what I'm saying, my steps with the one close, and then I'm using every notch on the clipper as I go up centimeter by centimeter. So eventually it'll be all the way open as you go up, and it'll blend right into that two close that you did at the top. But yeah, man, I really have fun up there in Florida, man, linking up with Basio and Fonz and a couple other people of the Tune 45 team, man. We had fun, man. I got my zero close right here, clean up that middle guideline. But yeah, we had fun, man. I learned some knowledge from Basio, man. Had fun with Fonz and them. We went bowling and stuff. It was really a vacation to remember for sure. But right now I'm doing detail work, just making sure everything gets as blended as possible. Fonz actually did, like, he did give me a suggestion to like start real low on the beard and then fade it all the way in, but I ain't really want to do it that way because I ain't want to do too much extra. I just really wanted to clean Fonz up, you feel me? But now I'm lining up the back of this beard. Fonz doesn't like it going straight down, so it's like curved out a little bit. Now I'm cleaning up under his neck. But yeah, man, it was really a dope time. I really was looking forward to it before I went. Did it, and had fun, man. Got a lot of knowledge too. Now I'm doing this back taper. Just sectioning it off right now and clipping it at the top. Make sure it's disconnected because that's what he wants. He doesn't know what he's gonna do with his hair. I don't know what he ended up doing. I don't know when the video is coming out. I just know I gotta drop mine. So fine, if you're listening to this, if you ain't dropped yours yet, drop it, okay? Or do something. But yeah, so I'm just doing the same exact steps that I did on the side, right in the back. If you guys want to see me do more collabs, you know what I'm saying, with other other YouTubers, you want me to see you want to see me cut their hair, or you want them to cut my hair, let me know, I'll do it. You know what I'm saying? It's always a good time, you know, hanging out with people that I know. They got a good vibe, you know what I'm saying? We mess with each other, all of that. Like, that's cool. I love it. It's dope memories. You know what I'm saying? Networking, all of that is dope to me. Especially me being this young, and then like being able to hang out with the older guys because of like how mature I am. You know what I'm saying? It's really cool. Yeah, I was cutting Fonz's hair at the shop, and everybody was in there talking about how crispy the cut was. It was hyping me up, but I was like, man, I still think it was areas I could have perfected. Like Like, I could have made the lineup a tad bit sharper and straighter. On his left side, I think it was a little bit more bulk that I could have got at the top of the taper. I did over spray a little bit of enhancements on the beard too, but hey, nobody's perfect. Plus, I was in a different setup, so who knows what it would have been like if he was in my setup. You know what I'm saying? It's not making excuses. It's that's just reality. So now I'm sectioning it off right over the ear because, like I said, everything is gonna be disconnected. So I basically just connected that line from the back taper for the side taper. It just made it a straight line, like the disconnection line. So right now I got my one closed, and I'm about to lower that part of the lineup before I line it up. Hopefully you guys get what I'm saying. I don't want to confuse you. Yeah, I also got some more footage from Florida. If you guys want to see that, let me know. I'll put it in the next video. I'll probably do like a little story time before I start the real video. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, so let me know what you guys want to see next. Alright, I'm on new people. If you're new, you made it this far, I appreciate you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We got dope content on the way always. And this is just one of many collabs. So I'm doing the same thing I did on the other side, just connecting both of those sections from the back to the side. Alright, you guys, so everybody knows, if you know who this is, if you know who Fonz is, y'all know he struggled with his corners, alright? So, because he wants to do some, I don't know if he's getting it braided or the Travis Scott, I don't know. But I'm going to section off like a ½ inch on the hairline, and then I'm going to knock it down. Now, it's not going to look like it when I line it up because I'm going to enhance it, and those, like the separation line is going to be covered up with enhancements. But it's still, like, when the enhancements come off, it's going to be separated so that whoever braids his hair or does his hair is going to see it. You know what I'm saying? So right now I lowered it to a 1 open, and then on those darker spots I'm going to do a 1 closed just to try to even it all out. Fonz does have a little bit of a widow's peak, so right now I put the hairspray, I'm blowing drying it, and I am going to cut like a little bit of that widow's peak off. But yeah, that's one thing I wanted to focus on when cutting Fonz. I wanted to give him like a crispy lineup, you know what I'm saying? Cause Bean gave him a crispy lineup, but I was like, man, I'm trying to give Fonz something real crispy, you know what I'm saying? There's no knock to Bean, but it's just like me being younger, you know what I'm saying, smaller YouTuber, I feel like I got weight on my shoulders, you know what I'm saying? Some weight on my shoulders to kind of lift off, so I had to try to get Fonz crispy, you know what I mean? So but yeah, I did try my best, man. I got Fonz as clean as possible with the different setup, and using Fonz clippers and using Fonz trimmers and using Fonz camera. Like, everything is Fonz. I'm just using it. You know what I'm saying? So it's definitely a different experience. And if I ever decide to move to Florida, Bossy already said, you know what I'm saying, I got a spot. So hey, if I move to Florida, I don't know which shop he'll put me in, but shoot, I just know I'll be straight. Right now I'm about to enhance the lineup. I got that Tune 45 no drip in there. I'm gonna like layer it with hair fibers on top, which I don't usually do at home. But like I said, it's Fonz, and he needs it. You know what I'm saying? Fonz need as much enhancements as he can get. So, but yeah, as you can see, I barely sprayed it on the vertical bars. I'm not going to use any hair fibers on the vertical bars just because I feel like it'll knock off that natural blend that I got with the 245 no drip that I just did. A lot of people, or some people might disagree, but that's just how I did it, and I think it came out good that way. As y'all can see, man, that lineup is crispy. Honestly, thinking back on it, I should have left it like this instead of using a white pencil. But I mean, when you see Fonz get out the chair, it's gonna look dope. Like the white pencil effect is gonna look clean. But I feel like because he already light skinned, like if I would have just did it like this, left it like this, and then used the razor, because he's light skinned, it would have popped anyway because his hair is so dark. But hey, most stuff like that you don't really think of until after the fact that it's over. So right here I'm using my razor. As you can see, I put the white line on there. Like I said, I wish I wouldn't have did it because I feel like it would have came out like it would have looked more naturally crispy. But either way, the cut was still clean. So I'm just using the razor. One thing that really would surprise Fonz, I use a different blade on every side. So like on one side of the beard I use a blade, on the lineup I use a blade, on the other side of the beard I use a different blade. And Fonz was like, dang man, with these razors, man, you probably be spinning a bag on razors. He was like, I can't be doing that with the razors. Like with the razor that I'm using right now, I guess the actual razor is expensive, so they can't really do it like that. But I'll be like, hey man, I buy everything in bulk, so it's like if I got it, I'ma use it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but one thing I really wanted to focus on, because Fonz is so light skinned, I didn't want to irritate the skin. I didn't want to see no redness, you know what I'm saying? Cause I asked him, did he do a dry shave or wet shave? And I did a dry shave. But yeah, y'all, this is the cut, man. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, Fonz wanted to disconnect it. That's what we did. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Y'all see it. We out. Deuces.
I just feel like I have to do this because he asked for it to be disconnected on purpose. Make sure you leave this audio in here, okay? Hey. I feel like he asked for it to be like. He asked for it to be like this on purpose.
I have to do something else with my hair. I think I'm the one person that's changed the image the most.
He changes the image almost every day. I see the blend. It's disconnected over here too. Alright? Disconnected. Everything is disconnected.
Y'all gonna see why though.
Let him know. Let him know. Let him know you want it like this on purpose.
I wanted it like this.
Okay.
That wasn't him. That was me.
That's him.
He was asking me not to do this.
Thank you.
But I appreciate that you listened.
Cause I was gonna cut it off.
You feel me? No.
I was.
No. I want this new look, man. Relax.
I was gonna cut it off. He's lucky. He's still in the chair. Not too late. But I ain't gonna do that to him. You gotta walk around with the camera.
Okay. Young Bull came with the pressure. With the pressure. Okay.
I tried my best.
But I'm gonna definitely come back and do something with my hair so it looks a little bit clean. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot going on, the disconnection, everything. I get it. But
yeah, I know Fonz got a big head. I had to adjust.
You know, see on camera it don't look that big, but in real life,
it's huge.
It's confirmed. He knows what it is.
It's huge.
He knows what it is.
Matter of fact, y'all got it mixed up. Everybody thinks Jeezy got a big head. His head is tiny. Fonz is the one with the big head.
And everybody thinks Jeezy's short.
Man, me and Jeezy the same height, bro.
No, it's not. Yeah, you're right.
Me and Jeezy the same height. Right, don't do me like that. Yeah. But yeah, I got Fonz right, y'all. You know?
Now it's time to go to Orlando. That's how much sacrifice went into this service right here.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Last minute, came all the way from Buffalo. Now I gotta drop him off.